Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Jotform builders for mobile first form UI step by step clearly. To activate Jotform builders for a mobile first form user interface, begin by logging into your Jotform account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Forms page. Select the form you wish to adjust for mobile use. Click on the Edit Form button to access the form builder. In the form builder, look for the Form Settings tab. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Find the Form Layout option within the settings. Choose the Mobile Responsive Layout option to ensure a mobile-friendly design. Next, return to the main Form Builder interface. Review each element in your form to check for mobile compatibility. Adjust field sizes and layouts to optimize the experience for mobile users. Preview the form using the Preview Form button to see changes in real time. Utilize the Mobile Preview option to specifically assess the form's mobile layout. Make further adjustments as needed to enhance usability on smaller screens. Once satisfied with the mobile layout, save your changes. To ensure everything functions as intended, test the form on various mobile devices. Finally, publish your form to make it accessible for mobile users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.